অক্সফোর্ড ইউনিয়নে স্পিচ দিচ্ছেন কুমিল্লা ৪ আসনের মাননীয় সংসদ সদস্য জনাব হাসনাত আবদুল্লাহ। চলুন দেখে আসি বিশ্বমঞ্চে কিভাবে বাংলাদেশকে রিপ্রেজেন্ট করছেন এই তরুণ নেতা।
Speech of Nabila Idris sir and my friend Sadiq Karim. So speaking at last is always popular because most of the important points have already been made by my friends because we are from the same history. We all of us have been through the same history. So everything I say somehow will be related to the things they have already mentioned. Everything I say will not be counted, right? So okay. Mr. Speaker and members of the Oxford Union, and I feel goosebumps because the person I idolized for years, Imran Khan, I witnessed him standing here and over there.